Hi, this is the another test. I did one a few months back of a KNO3 rocket engine launch test. So this is my second one, and this one, however, I have also included not only the powered fuel, but also a mixture of the powered fuel with a little bit of baking soda to slow down the burn before the ejection charge. Now, the the ejection charge is, of course, black powder, which I have packed at the end of the delay of fuel and baking soda. So this is not a cooked mixture, this is only a packed mixture in a PVC pipe. So let's test it out, and hopefully this will be a good flight. Well, had a little bit of trouble leaving the ground, but once it did, I think it turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.